we're going to be taking this old trampoline, and we have a problem. Brown squirrels, gray squirrels, black squirrels, raccoons, possum, coyote, fox, and of course deer. And we can't grow a garden. So what we're going to try to do is turn this old beat up trampoline into a pest-proof garden. So this is kind of our situation. This is our backyard, and it is an animal's paradise. As you can see, we got a nice woods back there, got a little swamp area, and then not too far away we've got some lakes and streams and stuff. So we can't grow anything, and we're going to do our best to transform that old trampoline into a raised bed garden. So as you can see, this thing is pretty beat up. And the plan is to use some chicken wire, and then also to use the netting that came with the trampoline itself. And also, if you notice, we use the bouncy part of the trampoline and just put that down on the ground to keep the weeds out. This is actually my wife's idea. She's been wanting a garden for a while, and she's tried and tried and tried. Those animals, they get in. We've tried potted plants. We've tried the little, containers you buy at the store and zip it up, put it up on the deck away from the animals. They get into it. It's crazy. And then when you finally do have one that grows some vegetables, they come and eat the vegetables. Sunny out this morning. And it was raining for the past few days. We're back at it. I have a little bit of a problem here, and it's with the size of this net. It's designed to go on the inner ring of that former trampoline and not the outer ring. So it doesn't quite stretch all the way across. And so we're going to have to adjust it. So we're going to try to use that net for a roof to keep birds and stuff out and debris and some other stuff. And we came up with a idea. We'll try to explain it as best we can right here, and hopefully it'll pan out. So the idea is to keep the critters out, and also, some of the debris from the trees that fall down here. We got cottonwoods. It just makes a mess. So, okay, so here's what we got. And it's these little devices here. Got a pack off of Amazon. I'll leave it in the description. And the idea is to cut this net, keep this little door in place with the zipper, and to use these little clips right here, which kind of pinch one side or the other, and then have this little area here for a rope or something, and to have those on the top and to try to create some kind of a roof. Okay, all right, so we got the front door thing done. This is the part with the zipper. That's the original, safety mesh for the trampoline. And then we put in those little teeny tiny tabs there, and they just clip together. They have little teeth in there. You have to kind of press them, and then the teeth kind of like press together. And I just ran a little cord. You get this from the dollar store for $1. I always like having that extra rope around. And I chose that size because, well, that's the size of the opening. So the plan is now I took the rest of that down, and hopefully I folded it in half over here, and hopefully that'll be long enough where I can double up and run this and make like a roof over it out of this, using kind of the same technique. So we'll see. All right, that actually turned out better than what I thought it was going to be. And got a few little gaps here. We can cover that up, or maybe just not worry about it. I don't know. We got a little bit of chicken wire left. Maybe we can go up a little bit higher. Over here is kind of a gap. So definitely a piece of chicken wire. We could wrap around that if we wanted to. But it's looking pretty good. And as you can see, there's definitely a roof on there now. So almost no cost. Those little things work pretty good. And let's go inside here. I call that a success. I think that's awesome. All right, we're putting the finishing touches on it. One more level of chicken wire to do some of the holes up there. And that was the end of the chicken wire roll anyway, so we didn't have to go out and buy another one. A little bit of a gap there, but that looks pretty good. Getting them nice and wet. Giving them some water. Maybe we'll come down later and give them another drink, huh? All right, so as you can see, this is the raised beds. This area is kind of in a swampy area, so it does flood from time to time. So we did the raised beds. And then also you can see that bouncy part of the trampoline down there to keep the weeds and stuff down. I thought that was kind of cool. So and the plantings went well. So hopefully in due course we'll have some carrots and tomatoes and all kinds of other stuff. Green peppers, cilantro. I love cilantro. These are actually potatoes. So my wife put that in a, I don't know, laundry basket, and you put it in a bag with some dirt, and it's already growing potatoes. So I guess we're going to have some potatoes too. So that turned out nice. Hey, like and subscribe, please. It helps out a lot. And then Ben Sound gets the credit for the music. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.